With Jinxbot printing, your imagination just got real. Hi, my name is Jason Reynolds. I'm the owner-proprietor of Jinxbot 3D Printing, and I've been printing since 2015. Jinxbot is a 3D printing service business. We help individuals and companies of all sizes with their 3D printing needs. Whether it be 3D design, scanning, printing, or all three, we can help. Let us help you take the guesswork out of 3D printing and figuratively bring your ideas to life. When you submit your file to us, we have the print, we have the file. We'll get started right away, and our turnaround time is usually about 24 hours. Over the years, we've printed many things for many people. We've printed prosthetic limbs for students, elementary through college, individuals with fascinating hobbies and clever ideas, businesses small and large, TI, Tesla, and Google. And to be a part of that truly inspires me to help make this fascinating technology available to everyone. Jinxbot 3D Printing, established in Mountain View locally. We accept orders from just around the corner to across the globe, and we ship to anywhere in the world.